History and sites of River Indus. The River Indus is one of the longest rivers in Asia, originating in Tibet and flowing through Ladakh, India, Pakistan, and finally emptying into the Arabian Sea. Indus Valley Civilization, one of the earliest human civilizations, known for its urban planning, bronze working, and script, flourished along the banks. The Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's oldest civilizations, was located along the banks of the river in present-day India and Pakistan and dates back to 3300 BCE. Alexander the Great's invasion. In 326 BCE, the Greek king Alexander the Great invaded the Indus Valley, defeating the local ruler Porus and establishing Greek rule in the region. Baltistan. This region in northern Pakistan is home to the Skardu Valley, which is located along the Indus River. Mohenjo-daro, one of the largest cities of the Indus Valley Civilization, located in present-day Pakistan. Harappa, another major city of the Indus Valley Civilization, located in present-day Pakistan. Rangpur, a historical town located on the left bank of the Indus in the Pakistani province of Sindh, known for its pre-Islamic Hindu temple ruins and archaeological sites. Sukur Barrage, a major irrigation system built on the Indus in 1932, providing water to the agricultural lands in the Sindh and Punjab provinces of Pakistan. Fort Tiji Fort, a historic fort located near the town of Khairpur in Pakistan, built by the rulers of the Indus Valley Civilization and known for its strategic location and ancient ruins. Sindh, the river flows through this province of Pakistan and is the source of irrigation for much of the agricultural land in the region. Overall, the River Indus has played a crucial role in the development of civilizations and cultures in the region and continues to be an important resource for the people living along its banks. Research and made by Muhammad Amir.